Because of our trip, we have been eating out so much, so we are trying to kind of like get back into a healthier, light eating. I've been making like granola for breakfast, and it's something that I love to make. Very simple to make. It's one of the easiest things you can make. Oh wow, my onions have really just shot up. We had that for breakfast this morning and that was really good. For those who don't follow me on social media, I went away for a week and I spent some time in Portugal. We went to Lisbon and then we headed on a train towards Porto. And we stayed there for about 4 days, 4 or 5 days, because we went to the Primavera Sound in Porto, which, oh my god, it was amazing. I was quite nervous at first because when we got there, the weather wasn't really that great. It was raining so much. I was honestly worried that they were going to cancel the event, but then luckily by the second night, so the first night we didn't actually go because the weather was pretty bad, and then on the second night, which was when Rosalia was actually going to be performing, we went, and when we watched Fred again, it was a little bit of rain. But somehow during the entire performance of Rosalia, there was absolutely no rain. We were there in like ponchos, just, you know, just in case it did rain again. Honestly, she is a phenomenal performer. I was literally like starstruck the whole entire time, just looking at her and like all that energy she gives on stage. And honestly, it's one of the best performances I've ever seen. That was amazing. Got myself here a little iced coffee latte. Day 3, we went to watch No Worries. Day 4, again, we only went for one performance and that was for Halsey's. And I'm so glad I got to see Halsey. She is an artist that I love for so long, and just again, her energy on stage was amazing. She started off with my favorite song, Nightmare, and it's just such a good song opener. I really do love it. Onion and garlic, gnocchi. Today's protein is tuna chunks. Now being back in the UK, it's actually really, really hot. How many degrees is it like right now? Right now it's 26 degrees, which is quite warm. Luckily, we don't get any like direct sun in the bedrooms, so this room is actually like a lot cooler. This is Pomelo. Pomelo, say hi. The living room was a lot warmer, so we did have to use our AC, which we're like a lot more prepared for this heat wave this summer. We have an AC so that we can survive. Feeling very, very grateful that we can actually afford like one of those like little portable ACs so that we can, yeah, kind of like get through it.
Took her a full week to complete. But first, I'd like to try something fun. We go around the room and share our stories. Who'd like to begin?
Good. I just had an interview for a job that I applied for, and the interview I think went really, really, really well. So fingers crossed for me. I'm super excited. Hopefully it's a yes, because I really want it. I wanted to let you guys know as well about what happened to our trip. We were supposed to leave on Tuesday at 8 p.m. Honestly, I think we were very blessed and very lucky. They did find something wrong with the plane and we weren't able to actually go on that plane. So the universe saved us. Unfortunately though, we had to wait for 7 hours for our next flight, which was at 3:30 a.m. and that's because Heathrow doesn't allow flights to come in before 6 a.m. Then, because of the whole plane changes and everything, yeah, they like misplaced our suitcases so we had hand luggage, but our hand luggage is a little bit, it's not larger, it's actually exactly in the measurements that they say. Because it was a full flight, we weren't allowed to carry it onto the flight with us. So they were like, oh, we're just gonna put it in the hold and then you guys can get it later. And that's fine, we've done it before. But because of this whole plane change, I kind of knew and expected that there was going to be a situation with the hand luggages. But we have just gotten a message that very shortly we will be receiving our suitcases, which I'm so excited and so happy. Cheers. And this concludes the end of this vlog, guys. I hope you liked it. It's definitely a different editing style than I usually do. I'm just experimenting with a new type of editing, storytelling. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.